Hi everyone, welcome to MasterMaths YouTube channel. As I told you in the previous video, in this video I'm going to discuss these examples. In my last video, I have discussed how to solve simultaneous equations using elimination method. So if you haven't watched it, please watch that video. I will put the link in the description. Also, if you couldn't try these questions, please pause the video and try. This is the first question. 2a minus b equals to 7 is our first equation, and a plus b equals 8 is our second equation. So as we learned in the previous video, when solving using elimination method, first we have to decide which variable we are going to eliminate, and there is a one condition which eliminating variable should satisfy. The coefficient of the eliminating variable in the both the equations should be equal. So as you can see in these equations, variable b coefficient are equal. In the first equation it is 1, and also in second equation it is also 1. So the coefficient are equal. So we can choose the b as our eliminating variable. So when looking at variable a, you can see that in first equation it is 2, and the second equation it is 1. So coefficient are not equal. If you want to choose variable a as eliminating variable, you should multiply the equation and get the coefficient equal. So it is easy to choose variable b as the eliminating variable. So now we have choose our variable to remove. So our next step is how we are going to remove the eliminating variable. So as I told you in the previous video, if the sign of the eliminating variable is equal, we are going to subtract the equation, and if the signs are different, we are going to add the equations. In here, what is the sign of the b in the equation 1? It is minus. What is the sign of b in the equation 2? It is plus. So signs are different. So what we are going to do? We are going to add the equation. This is very easy, okay? Plus 2. So 2a minus b plus a plus b equals 7 plus 8. 2a minus b. So the same value coming away. Plus 1 into plus 8 is plus, and plus 1 into plus b is, it is plus 7. 7 plus 8 is 15. So minus b cuts with plus b. So 2a plus a is 3 plus 15. Now this is a simple equation problem. The multiplication 3 goes to other side and it becomes division. 15 is divided by 3. So what is the value of a? It is 5. Now we have put a value for, now we have a value for the variable a. Now we have to find the value for variable b. So we have to substitute the value of variable a into one of the equation. So it is easy to substitute value of variable a into second equation and get the value variable b. So I'm going to substitute to second equation. A equals 5. substituting equation second. So what is the second equation? A plus b, which means 5 plus b equals 8. What is the value of 5? B. Plus 5 go to other side. 8 minus 5. So b is 3. Now we have the variable for both variable. A equals 5 and b equals 3. This is our second question. 2x plus 3y equals 12 is our first equation. 3x minus 2y equals 5 is our second equation. As I told you, first we need to choose what is our eliminating variable. I told you that eliminating variable coefficient should be equal in both the equation. In here, you can see the coefficient are not equal in both variables. In x, it is 2 in the first equation and 3 in second equation. And y, in the first equation it is 3 and in the second equation it is 2. So coefficient are not equal. So we need to we need to get coefficient equal. Think I have choose x as the eliminating variable. Here I'm going to multiply first equation by the coefficient of x in the second equation. What is it? It is 3. So you can see this get 6x, and I I have to do something to second equation also. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to multiply second equation by the first equation coefficient of x. What is it? It is 2. I have cross, okay. First equation multiplied by the 3. Second equation multiplied by 2. So this is third equation. This is fourth equation. From this method, you can get coefficient equal in any simultaneous equation. Okay. So what is third equation? I need to multiply this by 3. 6x plus 3y 9y equals 36 is our third equation. What is the fourth equation? This must multiply by 2. 6x minus 4y equals 10 is our fourth equation. I have two. Now I have two equations which coefficient are equal. So what I'm going to do here is, now the coefficient are equal. Now our next step is how we are going to remove, how we are going to eliminate the eliminating variable. I told you that if the eliminating variable signs are equal in both the equation, we are going to subtract, and if the signs are different, we are going to add. So in here, what is the sign of x in both the equation? In the third equation it is plus, in the fourth equation also it is plus. So sign are equal, so we need to subtract the equation. I'm going to subtract 3 by 4. So what can I get? 6 plus 9y minus 6x minus 4 equals 36 minus 10. 6 plus 9. Minus 1 into plus 6x is minus 6x. Minus 1 into minus 4y is plus 4, you know. When minus multiplied by minus, it become plus, okay. 36 minus 10 is 26. And here plus 6x cuts into minus 6x, and 9y plus 4y is 13y equals 26. So y equals 26 divided by 13. Y equals 2. We got the answer for y. Now we need to find what is the value of x. So I'm going to substitute y equals 2 into in our first equation. 2x plus 3y equals 2. So what is the first equation? 2x plus 3y means y is 2, okay, equals 12. So 2x plus 6 equals 12. 2x equals 12 minus 6, which means 2x equals 6. 6 plus 6 divided by 2. So x equals 3. So we got answer for both variables, y equals 2 and x equals 3.